So for a while, our driveway's been pretty high in water, always sitting in this low spot where it don't want to run over the driveway, and even if it does, it likes to wash out our driveway. And there's some pieces of wood and stuff that got on it. But I installed this grate type drain here about a month ago or so, dug it under the driveway. Now, it hasn't rained for a while. There's already, I mean, we got so much rain though. I mean, all at once. You can see it flooding through right there. But look at this drain. It's not done raining, but look at this drain right here putting in work. I mean, it is just chugging it out to run it on down the hill. I mean, this is crazy though, how much rain we got all of a sudden so fast. See where it's trying to wash out my mulch and stuff here, but and I do actually have another drain buried in gravel right here, but I mean, when this is so much water, it's crazy. But I'm gonna give this idea to anyone else. At least our driveway's not washing out now. I might try to put in some other type of drain here somehow later. I was told not to make that drain go too far though, because if they ever get clogged and you have a drain, you know, that'd be quite a few 100 foot all the way down there into the bottom, that end up with a problem if you ever have to try to clean it out or anything. But yeah, I wanted to make this video to show you still rain, and it's just, the water's just still chugging out.